Hi, online geometry. Okay, I wanted to go over a couple pieces of information before I kind of take you through this week. Number one, grades are updated on every Wednesday. You turn something in late, it will not be updated until the following Wednesday. Okay. Item number two, most assignments are due on Wednesday by noon. Wednesday by noon. A couple assignments may have an earlier due date. Please look at the due date. It says on every assignment what the due date is and what time it's at. The third thing is I offer question and answer sessions periodically. I know last week I did not offer any. This week I've offered one on Tuesday and one on Friday. Please do not start your math work like on Monday or Tuesday of next week, because I cannot be inundated with a million emails Tuesday night because your work is due on Wednesday asking for help. I have those help sessions on Tuesdays and Fridays of this week and probably next week so that you can get help ahead of time. So if I offer a question and answer session on Tuesday morning and then you're emailing me late Tuesday night needing one-on-one help, you needed to have come in on that question and answer session, because I have 66 online students. I can't do one-on-one sessions for everyone all the time. And a lot of times what I've been noticing is a question that one student has is most likely a question, or that has been a question that another student has. And so if I can combine those question and answer sessions, then you're getting more questions answered that you probably already have. So please start your work prior to Monday or Tuesday before it is due so that you know if you have questions that I can answer. Also, you know that your work is due by a certain time, so don't start it 2 hours before it's due, and in case you have questions or in case you just don't have time to complete it, okay? So this week we are still in Unit 1. This is our last week in Unit 1. You guys are going to take a Unit 1 test on October 21st, so a week from today, a week from this Wednesday. You are going to take a test next Wednesday on the 21st. That means that on Wednesday at 11:59 at night, all your work from the beginning of the school year through Unit 1 is due. I will not accept anything that has a 0. I will not accept any reworked assignments, so nothing can be turned in past 11:59 Wednesday evening that we've already done, okay? And then after this, it'll go unit by unit. So all of Unit 2 has due dates, and I will not accept anything past Unit 2 test, and so on and so forth. Please make sure to let me know if you have questions, okay? So Unit 1, I'm going to go to Unit 1. This week 6 folder will be open for you if you click on that. 1.5 notes. I lost my mic video or sound, then I had to start teaching another class, and so there are actually 3 parts to this video. They are not 15 minutes each. It does take more than 15 minutes for all 3 videos, but I think it's like close to 20 minutes total. So there's 1.5 notes, and then the 1.5 homework is what you need to do after that. And then there's 1.6 notes and 1.6 homework assignment. You will have a test review open. Then after the test review will be this optional Kahoot review. So this is completely up to you whether you want to take this or not, but it does give you some more practice on the concepts from Unit 1, and you can do it on your own. This test will be in there on Wednesday of next week. It will not be in there until Wednesday of next week for you guys, though, okay? And then the What to Do Week 6 folder will be up at the top. That is all. I hope everything is going well. I hope you're staying safe, having fun, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.